beertan sayadeen jeclaaday alla dunida uga siigaanaaday hadday dhib igu samaysay hadday dhib igu
way jacaylka haddaan xurmeeyo xanaansho haddaan xaqsiyo weliba xeegtiisa dhowro midkaan qalbigii ku xidhay
xabiibtan doonayay markaan xubiyey kitabo jirkaa xubinu kaco xusuustaada qalbiga kusoo wada xaadirto xasiil.
Waalaikum salam, mort. Ça va bien.
Frère, comment tu vas?
Bien et toi?
Ça va, tu vas bien?
Ça va bien.
Les affaires, ça va?
Ça va.
Mais ton chien là, il mange, hein? Ouais, il mange bien là, ton chien là.
Le chien.
Ah ouais, il mange.
Le chien là, il mange bien.
Ouais, ça rend des cornes bof ça? Ah, et de la mayonnaise.
Ce chien là.
Ce chien là.
You know I be going school every day trying to study for that A-star. Daddy doesn't know I'm trapping, making money, move like Cardi for that paper.
I will beat you so bad, social services will come and you go end up with some 4-star. Parents. No Post Malone, but I be feeling like a rock star. And if you're rude, the belt will go grata-ta-ta-ta.
Like this without security, let me security for you.
Please, I don't need security.
Mother, you need security. I will need security for you.
You are scaring me. I don't need security.
Don't worry.
Don't follow me.
Mother, I will security for you. You are a national asset. In fact, this means war. I will secure you. You can't be like this and be like this and not need security. I will security for you. Please.
Don't let me call my real securities on you.
I will secure you and secure your security. But like this means war. I am with you. Mother, let's go. Over.